Yeah, the Coach MC, lyrical samurai from the Coach MC studio. Another wild ride, another drawing session, taking you to the other side of the planet where the red sun rises high up in the sky, radiating down on us like 2020 EB1. Try to focusing and channeling through art and aligning my thoughts with my goals, so stick with me. Gliding through the mystery, tradition always on my side assisting me. Thousands of enemies realize as soon as I arrive that my sword is deep as the night and usually call victory even in defeat. I keep passion and dignity, achieve tranquility, so it's foolish to challenge me. Bushi, they called me, in 10th century poetry, ruling over Japan with mighty cavalry. Raised in dirty streets, escaping was the only key. Heading to the peak, to the temple till they welcomed me. Waves of silk and fighting elites, eagle eye archery, arrows piercing repeatedly, winning battles immediately. It was more than military way of living free. Bushidos made history by applying loyalty. My training was endlessly, pain my destiny. Every punch seemed eternity, every second of the week. Perfection in position, paper's my addiction. Pen and shadows, lovely fiction, ink masses of repetition. The dragon, my ambition, spitting fire with precision. Every move a deep incision into the skin of demolition. My strongest ability is my thought. My second the sword, the third is the code to serve my warlord. Number 4 is art, 5 and 6 fearsome and smart, honor the gods. 8, eliminate anger and hate, discuss, witness my mission, cutting without friction through letter and tissue till my opponent falls. The temple calls for blood and power, waterfall showers with concubine lovers, my only relief in darkest hours. Day and night I rest and fight, eat and write, defeat the pride to push the light deep inside. Kick 6 with a blast, blood splitting fast, enemies become gassed and the names are part of the past. Keep my mind focused, Buddha keeps my eyes closed, lungs are open, body still a lotus, living like a ghost. Shadows and crows, the red sun rises all over the globe like poisonous spores, standing in pose against steel and force, fighting without sweat, leaving my pores. Katana once more, this is my last encore. The audience lost the taste of war, smashing reptilian armors with demon faces more and more. Cut through time before they face me. Enemies hate these skills, cause my blade leaves the chills. Endless rows of graves filled of those who lived against the will. Shikura protect your neck, Hachi on my head, doers guarding my packs. My flag is my respect. My name is clean as sky, breath Saburao, samurai. Originally means I will die. Yeah, we all will live through the night, through the day, through the dark sides and the light sides of life. It's part of the cycle. Just enjoy the process, no matter where you are, no matter what you do. I hope this entertains and inspires you. Try to grab a sheet of paper and just vomit your thoughts. Just express what you feel. Just channel to your goal, whatever you do. Just be with yourself for a couple of seconds and relax your mind from all the noise and focus and visualize. If you like this content, if you like this drawing session on the other side, make sure to give us a thumbs up. If you're here for the first time, guys, subscribe to our channel, activate the bell. The Coach MC studio, visit the website, and see you next time, guys. Stay inspired. Do love, act.